Hello everyone. So today's group discussion is all about, will AI replace front-end developers or transform their role? So this is our group discussion. So with the rapid growth of AI tools in designing and as well as coding, this question has become highly relevant in the recent current industry. So let's begin our discussion. It should be more engaged and it should be interactive, and your perspective should be more clearer. So let's begin.
Start.
I'm accepting the point that AI will replace some sectors in development of front-end. So in recent days, front-end development and React components and small codes are generated by AIs. And in this perspective of new companies like startup companies, they would like to hire some developers with more AI knowledge, so they could afford less money and more efficient works, so they could reduce their economical situation. This will lead for cause of unemployment for new age employees. So this will affect developers who are not more knowledge in AI. So this is my point.
So as he said that the manpower is completely reduced because of the AI. That's your point, right? Yes. As he said, this is actually true. Because even though AI replaces the human, it cannot be completely replaced by the human. Like it cannot be completely replaced by the human. Because human has some creative ideas, creative design thinking, which cannot able to replace by AI. Okay. Is there anything else?
Yeah, I agree with this point, and I would like to add a point that we may all agree with. The AI is improving rapidly, and for example, AI can suggest UI improvements, fix bugs, and even automate codes. If developers do not upgrade their skills, they may find it difficult to compete with it, and in some cases, AI could replace developers due to their incompetency.
In some cases, it has been replaced by AI. Yes. Next.
So I would like to present the opposite view of the AI replacing humans, where AI cannot fully replace the creativity of human mind. So AI can fully replace front-end developers because development is not just about writing codes. We need involving creativity, problem solving, and understanding of the user needs and their requirements. As now, and designers used to design user-friendly interfaces and making decisions making based on the user behavior and the human thinking, according to which AI cannot completely replicate the human thinking.
Yes, Sridhar is right here. As he said, as I already told that, creative thinking and problem solving, which is actually only can be done by the human, which cannot be replaced by the AI. So that's his point, right? Yes.
So I'd like to agree with Shriyari what he said, because AI should be seen as a tool and nothing more than that, because it can't replace a human in the way it works. And let's take the example of a calculator, because when calculator was invented, it did not replace any of the mathematicians. So it was just used as a tool. So we should see AI as a tool itself, because it's like a soulless body. We have to be the person who put the soul into it, to give the prompt, to use it efficiently.
That's
so it's
right.
so we have to use it as a tool and not more like a replacement of prompts.
Yes, as Sai said that, even for writing, even we are using the AI, we need the prompt. So which is can be only done by the human. So we as a human, we need to think what to give us a prompt and how to get the output and what type of result we need. So we need to decide and we need to create our own prompt to get the actual output from the AI. That's right.
So conclude this discussion, AI may rather reduce the role of the coding developers, but it will never totally replace them. When a developer understands and learn the AI, she may have more skills.
Even on a portion
conclude this discussion,
திருப்பி ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணு.
so conclude this discussion, AI may rather reduce the opportunities for the coding development, but it will never reduce the person who works alongside with this AI. When a person learns and understand the AI, he or she will have more advantage and have more opportunities to grow in this developing field. AI may be intelligence, but it always need a human intelligence to control them. So rather than reducing the opportunities, it may push the developers and make them more skillful and also skillful and more adaptable.
So thank you everyone for your insightful session. So it is clear that AI is influencing front-end development to some extent, significantly. But while it may automate certain tasks, it is also open for new opportunities and for innovation and growth. So that through your discussion and through your perspective ideas, it is very much clear, whatever reason it may be, AI cannot replace human, that's the first point. And also, it also open up so many innovation and it can open up for growth, innovate ourselves.